be learning how to generate dynamic sitemap XML, where we'll see how we can generate like whenever a new page is added or a page is deleted, and it will automatically detect that change and update the sitemap.xml URL route without having to redeploy the project or rebuild the project. So for that, we will be using Next.js with the payload, which is a headless CMS. So I just use this to publish the blog pages. So for this purpose, I have created one dummy page, which has a slug blogs page one, and on the sitemap.xml, if you see, we have that already inside that sitemap. Let me create another page to show how dynamically it will work. So we'll duplicate. I think I clicked twice, so it's fine. Let's call it page two. Submitting, published. Now let me refresh. So it automatically detected that page 2. So let's jump to the code to see how it is implemented. So to create this setup, we have to add a sitemap.ts file. Remember, the file name should be sitemap. It can't be anything else. And currently I have added it inside a front-end folder, which refers the root uh, of the app folder. So if you add it here, it will be directly added at the root level just after the domain, so sitemap.xml. So if you want it, let's say at the nested level, that I will also show, but let's see how it is working. So for that, I have like just accessed all the pages URL from my CMS with this utility. So this is a payload local API. What it does is like it just query through the pages collection and extract out all the pages URL slug. And after that, we are just returning all the slugs in the form of array, which we are accessing here within this pages variable, and then mapping it with these two properties: URL, which is the combination of site URL. So this is the hosted link of my blog page, with the page slug, and the last modified, which uses the new date. So this is the implementation. And let's say if I want this sitemap XML, let's say somewhere at the nested level, like blogs sitemap.xml. So currently it won't work, but we can do this by adding or placing the sitemap file within that route folder. So let me copy this and add it inside blocks folder. So now we have a sitemap file inside blocks, and let me refresh page. So yeah, now we have another sitemap XML at the blogs route. So that's how we can create multiple sitemap XML, one at the root level and others at the category level, like services, landing pages, or blocks. And I have also hosted this on my website, and I think it's deployed. So yeah, this is the hosted version of the blocks website. Let me refresh, so it will show the dummy page. So yeah, it's showing both the pages, and now let's check the sitemap as well. Sitemap.xml. See, so now we have the sitemap as well. Let me add one more page just to make sure it works fine even on the hosted link. So duplicate again. Let's call it page 3. Published. Refresh. See, it's showing the latest page. Let me try deleting this now. Delete, permanent delete. So it's deleted, so only page 1 and page 2 is there. Refresh again. See, it's automatically updated without any redeployment or rebuilding the project. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you.